I'm Judy. Okay, so if you have bought a large LED screen, it is how you remember the display installation process. So power supplying and receiving card, wear and others balancing one by one. So all kind of the parts do not say missing. So time consumption and the durability and more expensive. So such a display is not only quality, robust, but also has a greater risk of safety. So in fact, ordinary people can also easily complete the installation of LED display. The EagerLED launcher cost-effective EA1000H6 series machine, the power supply, receiving card, and wear and other integrated design. So installation without complex wireless trouble. Okay, just like a simple installation, and it can be installed quickly and flight. So greatly reduce the installation service cost. And to meet the exhibition hall and conference room and trade store and other most application scenarios. Okay, and it's really simple to use. So it's very good quality and have a low price for you. So interested friends can contact me by private message.